going to talk about implicit differentiation of a unit circle. Implicit differentiation, the rate of change of y with respect to x is denoted by dy over dx. And then you have a unit circle which is x squared plus y squared equals to 1. Now let's go to the next page. First of all, we're going to replace y by yx because y is a function of x, like f of x. And remember the definition of a function. A function is a relation between two variables, and one of the variables is usually depend on the other one. So far we have x squared plus yx to power 2 equals to 1. Now, we're going to see that we can take the derivative of each term separately, one by one. Here you have the derivative of x squared plus the derivative of this function raised to the second exponent equals to the derivative of constant, which is 1. The derivative of x squared is just 2x. This is what we saw before. But for the derivative of the function, we need to apply the chain rule. On the right-hand side, you all know the derivative of a constant is always 0. Now let's take a look at the chain rule. The derivative of the function to second power is 2 times the function. So that's why we have y of x times the derivative of the function. Or basically, the dx, or the rate of change of y squared with respect to x, is 2y times dy over dx. Very good. So here you have 2x plus the derivative of the function raised to the second power, which is 2y dy dx equal to 0. Again, the derivative of constant is 0. Now on the next page, here we have 2x plus dy, 2y dy dx equal to 0. This is what we saw before. And then in the final step, we're going to try to isolate dy dx. What are we going to do? We're going to subtract 2x from both sides, so you can bring 2x to the other side. It becomes minus 2x. So 2y dy dx equals to negative 2x. Well, dividing by 2y, you have dy over dx equals to negative 2x divided by negative 2y. You can cancel out 2 and 2. That's how you end up with negative x divided by y. Very good. So this is a summary of all the steps that we did here. First, we replaced y by yx. So x squared plus yx to the second power equals to 1. Taking the derivative of each term separately, you have the derivative of x squared, 2x, plus the derivative of the function to the second power becomes 2y dy over dx equal to 0. And finally, you try to isolate your dy over dx. Please note that since we divide by y, your y cannot be equal to 0.